For workers required to wear personal protective equipment, the question is often, do I want to be comfortable or do I want to be protected? Garments offering a high level of protection are often heavy, stiff, and heat-trapping. Now you can be protected and comfortable with the new TF2510 series. The NFPA 2112 and NFPA70E certified flame-resistant cotton long-sleeve t-shirts from Stallion. The TF2510 long-sleeve t-shirt is constructed of 7-ounce cotton jersey knit, treated with flame-retardant chemicals, and sewn with durable FR Aramid threads. The loop knit yarns of the jersey knit are extremely flexible, offering comfortable stretch. This horizontal stretch provides just the right amount of give as you move your shoulders and arms. These loop knit yarns also allow more air to flow through the fabric. This increased airflow provides more breathable comfort as the job heats up. Certified to both NFPA 2112 and NFPA70E standards, the TF2510 long-sleeve t-shirt is designed for workers who may be exposed to short-duration thermal exposures from fire and arc flash hazards, typically associated with oil and gas, utility, and industrial applications. Available in 4 colors, the TF2510 t-shirt features a tagless neck for extra comfort, a convenient sleeve pocket, and our iconic Easy ID FR patch. The TF2510 is great for layering under a welding jacket, coveralls, or other protective outerwear to increase protection. Now you don't have to choose between protection and comfort. You get both with the new TF2510, NFPA 2112, and NFPA70E certified flame-resistant cotton long-sleeve t-shirts from Stallion.